Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, I'm going to be showing you one of our compact fanless industrial box PCs that has a 12th Gen Intel Hexa-Core CPU with up to 64 gigabytes of RAM. It's one of the most powerful CPUs on the market. It's the IPC2770A. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you first open the box. Inside, there'll be a Ziploc bag with all the accessories, and below that is the IPC2770A. Let's move this box aside for now. Take a look at the accessories first. In the Ziploc bag, there will be a DC input power cable. And then also inside, there'll be more smaller bags. There's gonna be a wall mounting kit, which has 2 plates right here. And then there are 4 bolts that go along with the wall mounting kit. And then inside this box, there is the IPC2770A. It's encased in foam, so let's remove it from the foam. And then remove it from the anti-static plastic. So here is the IPC2770A, and this PC has a wide range operating temperature of -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, or -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has an Intel 4K Ultra HD CPU graphics card. Okay, let's take a look at the front I/O first. So in the front, right here, you have 2 optional antenna fixtures. These rubber pieces get removed and you can attach your antenna. This is for optional Wi-Fi, which also comes with Bluetooth 4.0 support. Next to that are the power/CPU status LED lights right here. Then there's a momentary power button. Below that is a DE9 serial COM port. Next to that is the earth grounding point. Then there's a DC power input for your power supply. Next to that are 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A USB ports. Then you have an HDMI output and then DisplayPort output. Next to that are 2 RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports. And then there is a case slot for security. Let's go to the rear I/O. So right here, this is for audio. This is a 3.5mm line out. Then you have 2 USB 3.2 Type C host ports. This also supports DisplayPort 1.2A display output. This is also for quad display. You have 4 displays on this PC. And you have 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A USB ports. And you have 2 USB 2.0 Type A USB ports. Let's take a look at the bottom of the PC. So right here are 4 bolt holes. You can see here, this is for your wall mounting plates. Then you also can notice that there is a model name here and there's a build number. So if you want to reorder this IPC, you'll need the model name and you'll need the build number. Also next to the build number will be an embedded Windows license or a non-embedded Windows license. You have the option of purchasing an embedded Windows license or a non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at a facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it's plug and play. You also have the option of purchasing a non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this IPC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Okay, now I'm going to power on the IPC2770A. So I have a power supply going into the PC right here. Then I have an HDMI going out into one of our industrial monitors. This is one of our 15-inch models. So you're going to see the display on the monitor. So now I'm going to turn on the power supply. And you'll see the green LED light for the power status. And you'll also see the CPU status blinking orange as well. And there's a user welcome screen. And there it is. Well, that's all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial box PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.